Om Sai Ram. Our most humble salutations at the divine lotus feet of Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba. Our beloved Swami is very simple and his teachings are also very simple. His life was his message that everything is the form of God, that everyone is divine, that all is one. When we carefully read Swami's discourses, we notice that again and again he makes three declarations to drive home this fundamental truth. The first declaration is, I am always with you, I am all around you, I am on your right, on your left, in front of you, behind you, above you, and below you. The second is, you are in me and I am in you. The third, you are God, I am God, and so we are one. Swami is saying, you are God. He also explains to us that these declarations are meant to put you on the direct flight to your destination to return permanently to our source. But we have to be perfectly clear. What is our destination? What is our source? Swami gives us crystal clear direction. Destroy the identification of the self with the body. Become pure, leaving all our bad habits and bowing to his will and surrendering to his plan. To understand, Swami explained three declarations in a very simple way. Let us see water talking to an ice cube. Water says, I am always with you, I am all around you, I am on your left, on your right, in front of you, at your back, above you and below you. And you are in me and I am in you. Then again water says, I am water, you are also water, we are one. But ignorant ice cube says, no, I am not water, I am an ice cube, I am the most perfect and the most beautiful form in the whole universe. With great pride he says, I am an ice cube, and they talk about to each other. They says that I am an African, I am an Indian, I am an American, and like so on. They are so obsessed with this temporary identity that they have no time to even pause and ask the question, who am I? Just as a glass container is full of water and ice cubes float in it, the entire universe is full of a formless power or force in which floats all that we can perceive, the galaxies, solar system, sun, planets, moon, and even our earth. The power of force cannot be seen with the eyes, but numerous spiritual scientists who have experienced its omnipresent, omnipotent, and omniscient presence have leveled the power differently. God, I, Self, Brahma, Allah, Soul, Paramatma, and so on. Just as water is wet, liquid, transparent, at the same time, this power God is Satchit Ananda. At the same time, cannot be separated. Just as ice cube are a temporary form of water, all that we perceive is the temporary form of the formless power or force that is labeled God or Satchit Anand. Om Sai Ram.
Satyam Jnanamanantam Brahma Satyam Jnanamanantam Brahma Satyam Jnanamanantam Brahma Satyam Jnanamanantam Brahma Satyam